Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make some mountains. And now, first things first, A and delete everything. Shift A, mesh, take a plane, and now just a moment. Shift tab, right click, subdivide. Number of cuts must be 100. Actually, it's your wish. S, a bit up. Okay, let me increase some. Okay, that's look perfect. And now tab again, move to Z axis, and now change your mode to select lasso and select some random points just like this, and G, Z a bit up, and again Z axis, and again select the points which is inside the orange thing, and now again G, Z a bit up, and you must have to continue this process again and again. And now over here I'm going to divide the mountains like two kind of pillars. So I'm going to select both using shift and GZ a bit up, and again Z axis, select the points which are inside the orange thing, and shift and select these points which are inside that. So GZ a bit up. Continue the same process until you reach the tip of the mountain. Now this thing looks just like a basic mountain as usually. Actually this video is about only basic mountains. So back to shading, scale it up down, and you can see the model over here, and let's color it. New, clear coat, high, clear coat roughness 0. And now I'm having a picture of some mountains, so I'm going to put that thing, and now whatever that thing over there, color to the color. You can see the color has been given to the mountain, but it's not like a mountain. So back to UV editing, A, and over here A, S, move it towards the mountain and scale it a bit down just like that. Shading, you can see the mountains over here. Sorry, it's a mountain. So take care, bye bye then. It's been late for uploading videos because I was concentrating on some Honkai Impact videos, so you can watch them. The link is in the description. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.